Welcome to this high-end, new, custom-built home by Boylan Homes. It's located in Sky Meadows Estates in South Salem. Convenient to the freeway, shopping, downtown, parks, and great schools. The quality craftsmanship features designer touches and premium materials throughout. From the covered front porch, head inside. Discover gorgeous floors leading to the spacious open floor plan. Tons of natural light. A stylish gas fireplace and plenty of room for entertaining. The gourmet kitchen features a large island with an eating bar, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Plus a large walk-in pantry. Double doors open to the main level office or guest bedroom. On the upper level, unwind in the primary suite, a quiet retreat with high ceilings. And a spa-like bath featuring a soaking tub and tile shower. Plus a huge walk-in closet with organizers. This home of more than 2,600 square feet has 2 additional bedrooms on this upper level and a bonus room. An elegant guest bath and laundry. The covered patio is ready for year-round entertaining. No detail is overlooked, from the paver driveway to the gated RV parking with hookups and an oversized garage. Ask for details about several more custom-built homes in the coming months. A fantastic home on Boone Road in Sky Meadows Estates. It's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.